students, myself N.S. Yadav, our channel is GB Physics Coaching Classes. Today we shall derive an expression for the mean value of AC for class 12th. Actually, the mean value of whole cycle is 0. So we calculate the average value for the half cycle, positive half or the negative half. For the complete cycle, value is always 0. So the average value is for the half cycle only. That is defined as mean value of AC. For the complete one cycle, the mean value of AC is always 0. The mean value of AC is defined only for half cycle. T by 2 time. So it is defined as the mean or average value of AC is that steady current which sends the same amount of charge through a circuit for a certain time interval and is sent by alternating current through the same circuit. Same circuit. For the same time. For T by 2 time. This is the definition. It is represented by I mean or I average. Its equation of AC is I is equal to I naught sin omega t. Let dq is the charge passes due to current I in time interval dt, then I is equal to dq over dt, or dq is equal to I dt. If we put value of I from equation first, from equation first and second, then dq is equal to I naught sin omega t dt. The charge for half cycle. Charge passes through half cycle, then q is equal to dt is equal to 0 to t by 2 I naught sin omega t dt. I naught take out and integrate it, minus cos omega t upon omega 0 to t by 2. So we can write omega minus omega cos omega t 0 to t by 2, or it can be I naught minus 2 pi into t cos 2 pi upon t into t cos 0. This is 2 pi minus I naught into t upon 2 pi minus 1 minus 1. So this becomes I naught t upon pi, equation 3. If In is the mean value, of AC, which sends the same amount of charge in t by 2 times period. then Q is equal to Im into T by 2. Equation 3rd and 4th. From equation 3rd and 4th. Im into T by 2 equal to I naught T upon pi, or Im is equal to 2I naught upon pi. This is the expression. Its value Im is equal to 0.637 I naught, or Im is equal to 63.7% of I naught. This is all about mean value of AC. Once again, the mean or the average value of AC is that steady current which sends the same amount of charge through a circuit for a certain time interval as sent by the alternating current through the same circuit for half cycle. It is represented by Im or I average. Equation of AC, I equal to I naught sin omega t. Let dq is the charge passes through a circuit in time dt. Then I equal to dq upon dt, or dq equal to I into dt. From equation first, value of I is placed here. Then this equation becomes dq equal to I naught sin omega t dt. The charge passes through half cycle. Then we have to integrate under the limit 0 to t by 2. So this is the integration, and we find that Im equal to 2I naught upon pi, or in numeric 0.637 I naught, or 63.7% of maximum value of AC. This is all about our lecture. Now we finish here. Okay.